Wow, amazing 2018 Kia Niro specs. Car 01. The biggest news for the 2018 Niro is that the Touring model now comes standard with HID headlights, autonomous emergency braking, a forward collision warning system, a lane keep assist system, adaptive cruise control, and a wireless phone charger. The new Touring Graphite Edition includes Platinum Graphite paint, Glossy Black 18-inch wheels, Glossy Black roof rails, metallic color grille, 10-way power driver's seat with adjustable lumbar, and an 8.0-inch display screen with navigation and a Harmon Kardon premium audio system. The lane keep assist system is now included in the advanced technology package, and an auto-dimming rear-view mirror is now standard on the X model. The Niro Hybrid is Kia's hybrid-only crossover-like front-drive hatchback that carries a base price that's about the same as that of the Optima sedan and Sportage crossover. In Kia's two-car hybrid lineup, the Niro slots below the Optima Hybrid. The Niro Plug-In Hybrid debuts for the 2018 model year, and will slot below the Optima Plug-In Hybrid in price. The 2018 Kia Niro is powered by a hybrid powertrain consisting of a 104 horsepower, 109 pound-to-foot of torque 1.6-liter i4 engine paired to a 43 horsepower, 125 pound-to-foot of torque electric motor that has a combined power output of 139 horsepower and 195 pounds-to-foot of torque. A 6-speed dual-clutch automatic routes power to the front wheels. The base Kia Niro FE delivers an impressive EPA-rated 52/49ths of a mile per gallon city, highway, but mid-level Niros are rated at 51/46ths of a mile per gallon. The range-topping Touring model has the lowest fuel economy rating at 46/40ths of a mile per gallon. In Motor Trend testing, the Kia Niro hit 60 miles per hour in 8.7 seconds and stopped from 60 miles per hour in 134 feet. The Niro FE comes standard with a 7.0-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, 16-inch wheels, automatic headlights, rear spoiler, matte black front grille, a 4.2-inch instrument cluster display, woven and knit cloth seats, 6-way adjustable driver's seat, dual-zone automatic climate control, and drive mode select, active eco and sport modes. At the top end of the Niro range is the Touring model, which comes loaded with 18-inch alloy wheels, power folding heated side view mirrors, gloss black front grille, power moonroof, satin chrome inside door handles, leather upholstery, 10-way power adjustable driver's seat, heated and ventilated front seats, leather-wrapped and heated steering wheel, rear AC vents, an 8.0-inch touchscreen with navigation, an 8-speaker Harmon Kardon premium audio system, rear USB charger, and a wireless phone charger.